you hear them? Guys, back up a little bit so that if you need to run, you can.
I can hear them.
You hear it?
Yeah.
So you had to break it to get them to go in?
Yes, you got it. You got to kind of. But they're usually very docile. You see any of me?
No, I see them following you though.
Yeah, they're on your back. And
Yeah, they're on your back a little bit, just one or two.
They're gonna go away.
Wait, that was
You hear
fun.
it, Jordan?
Do you hear them?
Well, they're not heavy. They're active.
What's in that box? Just the frames. And they all stand around that? Yeah, hopefully they're gonna move in. Let's see.
Wow.
If Queen gets in, they're gonna follow her inside.
Where is the queen?
It's inside.
Well, that's what they're trying to make sure that the queen gets in there.
But everybody cares about the queen.
Well, she's the leader. So if she goes, then everybody will follow.
You hear that noise?
Yeah.
Let him settle a little bit. So what do you